Yo guys, what's going on? My name is Callum Dolby and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a quick little tutorial on how you can get your club's games for cheaper. So obviously if you're a League 1 or League 2 fan, I believe this service is available in the Championship as well, but you can use Ifollow to watch the games you can't get to. Just as a disclaimer, this is 100% legal. There's no laws behind you stopping this because using this service I'm about to show you stops hackers from getting your personal identity as well, so it's very helpful to have one if you don't already. So basically what you're going to need is a stable internet connection, as Ifollow is a streaming service, and B, a VPN. So a VPN is basically something which takes your location wherever you are. Obviously I'm in Peterborough right now, and it will just throw it somewhere completely different or whatever you choose. So if you're overseas and you want to watch an Ifollow game, you can watch every single game during the season for €6 each, or you can buy a season pass for €155, I believe, which is about 130 quid. But yeah, I don't use this too much because I like to go to the games, but this game, for example, tomorrow night at Tranmere, I can't get there, and just like it's a lot of money as well. Like sometimes I just can't make it all the away games, so I use this, €6 to watch the game. I want to show you this because if you're in the UK, you will only get to watch a few games. I think it's like 10 or something, like randomly selected games throughout the season. It's normally Tuesday night games, and B, you're having to pay 10 quid to watch a League 1 or League 2 game of football, which is, you'd probably pay it if you really want to watch the game. But if there's a way to get it cheaper, then just do it. Like, it just makes sense. So yeah, this is my VPN. I use Iverson. I paid for mine because I use it quite a lot to watch the US Netflix. I go to like some websites or videos I'm trying to watch, say like you can't access this content in this country, so I use this, change my location, and jobs are good. So yeah, all you need to do is download a VPN of your choice. I'll put a couple in the description that are free, because I'm aware that obviously not everyone's going to want to pay 50 quid, but obviously I get 5 years access for that, so it helps. Unlimited, like, I've been connected to this for hours before, like just doing whatever, and it hasn't stopped me. So yeah, you're going to want to probably download 2 or 3. I downloaded about 5 just to find the best one for me, because some are very slow connecting to servers and all sorts of other stuff. So yeah, you're going to want to find the one that's right for you, but I will put a link to like 2 or 3 in the description that you can try that are free. So download it onto your computer or laptop, and connect to Norway. I always connect to Norway or Belgium. I find that obviously because they're quite close, they have pretty fast connection times. So yeah, just connect to your chosen country, and then make sure all your web browsers are closed. Wait probably a minute for it to sort of fully connect. It will say connected, but wait sort of like a minute for everything to adjust. Open up your web browser again. I use Chrome, it's better than Edge. But yeah, open up your web browser, go on your club's website, whatever it is. Ours is theposh.com, but all the websites are laid out the same, and normally when you go in to subscribe here, it will load up and it will say £10 for the video match pass, which is 1 game access. But if you have got the VPN and you've done this right, it will say €6. So all you got to do is check availability, purchase it. You're going to have to make a new account, because if you use the one that's registered, that you've used like in the UK, it won't work. So just make a new account, yeah, that you're set to go really. It will ask for a billing address. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description to a address generator. It will just basically give you a fake address. It won't give you someone's actual address. But yeah, it doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter what you use, as long as that address is in that country. like I said, just follow the link in the description to find the address generator, and put that in, put your billing information in, whether you pay on card or whatever. You can obviously use like your debit card to pay the €6. Obviously it'll only charge you, what, £5 something? No, it'll charge you a fiver, yeah, that's right. It'll charge you £5 for it. And yeah, that's it, you're good to go. And then obviously when the match is available, you go to the live match center. I think, I don't know if it's going to be on here already. Yeah, it will. So it will say here, next match, Tranmere, obviously it's tomorrow. And then about probably 10 minutes before kickoff, if you've bought the match pass, it'll say watch live. It'll say listen or watch live. Click on watch live and you're good to go. So that's basically it. If you've got any questions, make sure to comment them down below. I'll be replying to everyone because I know this is probably a little bit complicated to some people. And if you sort of want to talk a bit more, my DMs are open on Twitter, and the link for that is in the description too. It's at Callum Dolby _. So yeah, like if you need any help with it, I'm more than happy to help, because I don't want people paying the £10 when they can get it half price, basically. So yeah, like I said, this is 100% legal. There's nothing stopping you from doing this. All your locations are hidden, your IP address is hidden, no logs are put on like trackers or whatever. So yeah, you can just enjoy the half price games. So I've had mine for about a year, I think, already, and I think I've bought maybe 7 or 8 games on it. So I've pretty much made my money back, as I paid £50 and I've saved a fiver each time. So I'm probably on about 20 quid for it now, which is really good. But yeah, that's basically it. Like the video if you enjoyed and this helped. Comment down below with other video suggestions you have, or just in general any questions. Subscribe for more videos. I'm 11 subscribers away. 11 away from 200 now, and I'm really trying to get there probably by the end of this week, because we've been growing very well recently, and I can't thank you guys enough. Obviously click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload next, and all I've got to say now is, guys, you know this, cheers.